Riding with Rosie. Ready to be a community helper with me? Vamos! We can use this map. It shows so many places. Like... oh, my house! Where I live with my family. It's recycling day, and the paper, plastic, and cans are sorted and ready for recycling. But now what? Mira, the recycling truck. Oh, maybe we could collect the recycling with it. To move a vehicle, bring it where you want to go. Or use the arrows. Woohoo! But where does the recycling go now? The recycling center. Well, that's new information. See you later, paper, plastic, and cans. We finished collecting the recycling at my house. But what about everyone else's? Let's pick up the recycling on the map and drop it off at the recycling center. Fantastic! More recycling! See you later, paper, plastic, and cans. Way to go! More recycling! See you later, paper, plastic, and cans. We unlocked the helper toolbox. These flowers are looking really droopy. Bring the watering can to the garden to water them. Drink up, Florcitas. We unlocked a new vehicle. I made a super tactical card for my abuela's birthday, and I'm ready to send it all the way to Mexico City, where she lives. But how? Ooh, the mail truck. Okay, now we can pick up the envelope. This symbol means it's ready, but where is this big mail truck going? Oh, the post office. Okay, envelope. The post office will take you all the way to Mexico City, just in time for Abuela's birthday. We deliver the mail from my house, but what about everyone else's? Let's pick up all the mail on the map and drop it off at the post office. Adios, mail. Have a good trip. Fantastic! More mail! Adios, mail! Have a good trip!